At Festa Group, we focus on practical and innovative approaches to every project. We treat each assignment individually, seeking solutions that best meet the needs of our clients. Our company offers professional scaffolding systems, both façade and modular, tailored to the requirements of large-scale investments as well as smaller renovation or construction projects. We also provide rental and sales of Perry brand formwork systems, a renowned leader in the construction industry for many years. We operate throughout Poland and beyond, ensuring not only top quality equipment but also comprehensive logistical and technical support. We welcome complex projects and take on tasks that require exceptional precision, good organisation and creative problem solving. The quality of our services is backed by a highly qualified and experienced team. It is thanks to our team that we can efficiently manage projects with a high degree of difficulty while maintaining both the pace of work and full safety standards. At every stage, we guarantee reliability, punctuality and clear communication. We invite you to cooperate with us.